Hi, welcome to iThemes WordPress 101 tutorials. I'm Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress theme. Changing your WordPress theme is quick and easy. You'll want to go to Dashboard, Appearance, Themes, and it will show you any available themes that you have already loaded in your site. Just click the Add New button, and you'll see a selection of available themes from the WordPress repository. You can install any theme that you like, and before you activate, you can do a live preview on your site before making the new theme visible to all of your viewers. Many of the themes that you install will give you options in the theme customizer, so you can set site identity, change your colors, your background image, get everything up and running just how you like it before you click Activate and Publish. Once you've published those changes, just refresh the front of your site and you'll see the new theme in place. Now let's say none of the available free themes do it for you and you've purchased a premium theme from iThemes or any of the other great theme shops out there. Just click Upload Theme and browse to your theme zip file. Once you've selected that zip file, hit Install Now, and the theme will upload, unzip on your server, and automatically install for you. Just click Activate, and as with the theme from the WordPress repository, when you refresh the front of your site, you'll see the new theme installed. That's just how easy it is to install a new WordPress theme. If you've liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and go ahead and visit ithemes.com/tutorials for more great WordPress tutorials and additional information. Thank you for watching.